Ever pondered the impact of hard water on your household appliances? Hard water, laden with minerals like calcium and magnesium, can indeed take a toll on them. It can shorten their lifespan, reduce their efficiency, and even lead to unexpected breakdowns. But don't fret. There are ways to mitigate these effects, and today we're going to share a comprehensive guide on how to protect your appliances from hard water. Step 1. Identify the problem. The first step in this journey is to determine whether you have hard water. Look for signs like a chalky residue on dishes, dull-looking laundry, or reduced water flow from faucets. You can also use a water hardness test kit for more accurate results. Moving on to step 2. Install a water softener. If you've confirmed the presence of hard water, consider installing a water softener. This device uses a process called ion exchange to replace calcium and magnesium ions with sodium ions, effectively softening the water. Step 3. Regularly clean your appliances. Even with a water softener, some hard water minerals may still build up over time. Regular cleaning of appliances that use water, such as dishwashers, washing machines, and coffee makers, can help prevent this buildup. Step 4. Use appliance cleaning products. There are specific cleaning products available that are designed to remove hard water buildup in appliances. They're easy to use and can be a great aid in maintaining the longevity of your appliances. Finally, step 5. Monitor and maintain your water softener. After installing a water softener, it's crucial to monitor and maintain it regularly. This ensures it remains effective in softening your water and protecting your appliances. To wrap things up, protecting your appliances from the adverse effects of hard water involves recognizing the presence of hard water, installing a water softener, maintaining regular cleaning schedules for your appliances, using specific appliance cleaning products, and monitoring and maintaining your water softener. Remember, taking these steps not only prolongs the life of your appliances, but also ensures their optimal performance. Hard water may be a common problem, but with a little effort and the right tools, it is a problem that can be managed effectively. For a simple guide on knowing your water quality and what is needed to fix it, visit softprowatersystems.com and use our free Wisdom program to help you through the process. So go ahead and give your appliances the care they deserve. They'll thank you for it, and so will your wallet.